Let's look at the interesting AI chatbots that are available at the present moment, which are also very useful and are free. So we have ChatGPT, which is probably the most popular. It has the first mover advantage. This ChatGPT uses the LLMs GPT-4 and GPT 3.5 and the previous versions as well. This is from OpenAI. It also is very good in answering descriptive questions and also goes into the detail a lot. You can see that if you ask for YouTube views and what you can do to increase audience retention time. So you have very engaging and interesting ideas given out by ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is one of the most important and also very detailed AI chatbots available, which you can use for academic and more serious purposes as well. The other competitor for ChatGPT, which is Google Bard. So Google Bard also uses the Gemini and then Palm and then Lambda LLMs. So Google Bard is also one of the most popular and very descriptive AI chatbots available today. So if you ask the same questions, Google Bard has very interesting views on even difficult questions. So you might wish to experiment with Google Bard. Google has also updated recently with its newest LLM, which is Gemini. So Google Bard is certainly something which you want to try. The other one, which is making a lot of waves in the modern times, is the AI chatbot called Po, which is from Quora. And you can see that you have a host of AI chatbots to choose from. So you can also choose ChatGPT 4, which actually requires a paid version of Po. But you have a lot of other chatbots as well, which you can use. So there is a plethora of chatbots available and a wide range as well. So, Poe is certainly an AI chatbot that is worth mentioning in this list of useful and interesting chatbots, AI chatbots, which are also free. So make sure to put your hands on this AI chatbot as well. The other one of interest is Perplexity. So Perplexity is something that you certainly don't want to miss. You can ask very interesting things to Perplexity as well. So and it gives answers. One of the unique features of Perplexity is the speed with which it gives answers, and also the very practical and useful results are thrown out by Perplexity AI. So this is also something which is free, which you should try out. Bing Chat is from Microsoft, so you might have to agree to the terms that they have. But one thing is, it still responds without being logged in as well. So you might want to log in to ask continuously many questions. So you can see that the answers from Bing Chat are also very useful. And one of the things that you will find Bing Chat's backbone AI is the GPT-4 and GPT 3.5, which is from OpenAI. So, because of the partnership that exists between Microsoft and OpenAI, you will find Microsoft Bing Chat using the OpenAI's LLMs. So you will find that the answers thrown out by Microsoft Bing are very interesting to look at and also very practical. So make sure you try the Bing chat as well. The last one that I want to tell you, which you should certainly try, is the Hugging Chat from the Hugging Face. So Hugging Chat uses the current model, which is the Mixtral one. So it also offers you a choice to change some of the models, and Hugging Face uses a lot of models and also provides a lot of models free for you, which you can explore and also customize. So make sure you try out the Hugging Chat AI chatbot as well, and the answers are straightforward and of very high quality. So you will see that these AI chatbots are very interesting and useful. So make sure you try ChatGPT, Google Bard, Poe, Perplexity AI, Hugging Chat, and Bing Chat, and I'm sure that you will not be disappointed and you will get a lot of interesting, practical, and useful answers. And you might wish to ask the same question on a couple of AI chatbots and compare them and take the best one. I hope you like this video. I hope to meet you again in another interesting AI video. Thanks for watching.